How to make life with tinnitus more comfortable. Are you prepared to pass on updating your Facebook status and read an interesting video about how to deal with tinnitus instead? If you suffer from this condition, you will truly appreciate being able to make the symptoms disappear. You may want to consider joining a support group if you suffer from tinnitus. Many people do not know that these groups exist, but they do, and they are there to help you. You will chat with other tinnitus patients, and you can all share tips and ideas with each other. If you believe you might be afflicted with tinnitus, but you're over 50, you should ask your doctor to test you for Meniere's disease. This syndrome can afflict you with the same symptoms that tinnitus can, but is far more serious. Therefore, a diagnosis is important to help treat it before it gets worse. Chewing gum is one of the best remedies for tinnitus. Medical research has shown that chewing gum can relieve the pressure and sounds that are associated with tinnitus. However, be careful to stop chewing if you start feeling more symptoms or if you develop pain in your jaw or elsewhere. To avoid aggravating your tinnitus further, choose the foods you eat carefully. Salt, caffeine, artificial sweeteners, and sugar can all make the symptoms of your tinnitus worse. If you don't want to give up all these things, try eliminating them one at a time to find out which one, if any, is causing problems. Are you afflicted with tinnitus, or is your heart the problem? Both high blood pressure and arteriosclerosis can cause the loud sound of rushing blood in your ears. Both are very serious conditions which need to be treated immediately. Consider getting yourself tested for both diseases just to be sure they're not the cause of your hearing issues. You are probably glad that you didn't update your Twitter status, and instead, decided to read these helpful tinnitus tips. Hopefully, you learned some things you can use to help with any symptoms you are experiencing from tinnitus, as well as how you can prevent it. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus and what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.